Hi everyone, it's Johnny here. So today we're actually going to be unboxing a particular product, and it's actually this latest gaming wireless headphone from ASUS ROG. It's called the ROG Pelta Tri-Mode Wireless Gaming Headset. Let's see what they have here. So over here you see that it's actually using this Speed Nova wireless technology. It uses Bluetooth. It also has like wireless dongle. Right, it's also compatible with PlayStation 5. It says that it has a tri-mode, so you can actually connect it via like Bluetooth or the low latency 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology, or you can actually also use the USB-C wired connection. It has a 50mm ROG titanium plated diaphragm driver, 10mm super wideband boom microphone. It also has exceptional battery life of like 60 hours, and it also provides a 15-minute fast charge to give you up to 3 hours of usage. And this is actually with RGB lighting off, and the microphone is mute. It supports multi-platform, right? As you can see here. We'll get into the controls in a while time, so let's get into the unboxing. So when you flip open the lid, this is the first thing you will see, the headphone itself in this semi-translucent white cover. Next, when you take out the rest of the packaging, you actually see here that it has this ROG wireless dongle. Do not throw this away accidentally, otherwise you won't be able to use it. So this box actually has the rest of the item. This is the wired connection. So you also have the converter here, USB-A, the USB-C to USB-A converter. So when you take it out, it is actually a USB-C connection. The other end is actually a USB-A connection. So you actually have the boom mic here. So this is a 10mm ultra wideband boom mic. Detachable, the quick start guide, right? And this is like the warranty card. Okay, so let's put the box away. Right, so this is actually the quick start guide. So it gives you some basic information like the packaging content, and when you look at the headset feature, there's a separate microphone mute and unmute button, which is very useful. Number 2, this is the rocker dial, the scroll wheel for the audio control, multi-function button. There's a mode switch, so you can switch between like you want Bluetooth or you want actually like the wireless. Then there's the microphone jack with LED light, and then here it says that it has an elastic band. You need to install the elastic band. So here it actually tells you how to actually operate it. Okay, do take note that for the on-off the mode switch, it has actually 3 areas: a Bluetooth at the top, a wireless 2.4, which is actually this one, the USB-C dongle, and in the middle is actually the on-off switch. Alright, so if you want to off it, just set it back into the middle. It will be off. This is the main thing, the headphone itself. So let's remove the plastic cover. Okay, so it actually comes with the elastic headband installed. The finishing is matte black, oval shape, where it can swivel. Alright, so this part is able to swivel like up and down. Here, this point is actually able to swivel outwards and inwards. It's something that you're actually able to put it down like this. Let's see. Okay, so you can see here, you can actually replace the ear cup if you want to with your own favorite ear cup. So this one is actually, the cushion is actually removable. Then you slide it below this gap here. You can see this gap here, and replace it with your own. So here has an indication that this is right, so this should be left. Left actually has the ROG logo. As you can see, yeah, this is the left with the ROG logo. Right, they'll actually indicate as right. So you can see clearly. There you go. Yep. Okay. So if you look at the headband itself, the elastic headband, it has all the logo wording of ROG, right, on both sides. And if you do not want, this can actually be removed easily. What I noticed is that the cushion itself is actually very thick. Now do take note that the cloth, this is actually cloth-based cushion, right? So for those of you who actually sweat a lot, this will actually absorb the sweat. So you might want to actually take it out and wash it often. Here, the cushion is quite thick actually. Okay, next, let's remove the elastic headband because I want to see how is the like elasticity. Okay, so first, let's see. Oh, it can open up quite wide actually. Yeah, let's twist, the twist test. Okay, the twisting. Okay, I'm gonna go twist. Okay, you can see here I can twist quite well. Okay, open up. Okay, and the headband, I'll just put it back. It has 2 levels, if you didn't notice. Right, there's 2 levels for you to adjust on both sides. And next we'll go down to the left ear hub. Okay, you actually see that the controls I mentioned earlier. So this is the mute and unmute. So when you press on this, it's mute and unmute. This is the volume rocker wheel. Scrolling here is actually up. This is volume down. Right, the multifunctional button. And here, up is Bluetooth, and then down is actually the wireless. And then this is the part whereby it's actually for the charging port, the USB-C charging port, and then the microphone jack is here, right? The boom mic. Okay, do take note that for the boom mic, you realize that over here, this is actually like triangular with a cut. So you need to align it properly, push it in, right? And then you can bend it. And let's power up. So the easy way to power it is that you can power it either way. And then you will see it light up the logo. And then it will like it be multi-color. Okay, the RGB light. Or it can be here. And then this is the indication. So now you see it keep flashing. This is actually in pairing mode. So to off it, just move it back to the middle.